Magaling yan si John. Auto yan si John. Today, I have another seemingly unassuming home here in BF Homes, Paranaque to show you. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Of course, we're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So I mentioned earlier that it was seemingly or unassuming, because from the size of this lot, you'd be like, okay, yeah, that's a decent size house. But then this is one of those na malalim. So let's go in. So as you can tell, it has a very, please excuse the motor running by. Again, this is in a village within a village, so it's very secure. Nagkataon na may motor na dumaan. Okay, so as I was saying, you can tell that it has a very contemporary modern vibe. Now, this is very common here in the Philippines currently, especially as of 2020. So if you're into trends, then yes, this is pasok. All right, speaking of pasok, let's enter the house. So upon entering the main door, you have here a receiving area or a foyer. So do with it what you will. You could put your console table, etc. But this is generally the place where you want to put things na parang last minute, like before leaving the door, you can grab something from it, or conversely, upon entering, dun mo iwan yung keys mo, etc. And upon going further in, you will have your living, your dining, and your kitchen. So it's a huge open space, and you have access na to these doors, which I will show you later. But for now, let's focus on the kitchen. So as you can see, it's all counter space. Wala siyang cupboards or cabinetry. So actually, inaayos pa naman tong house na to. So I'm not certain, I'll get back to you on that, or I'll put it, or Presello will put it down in the description kung kasama na yung cabinets or yung cupboards or not. Kasama ba, Marv? Hindi. So it's up to you guys if you wanna put more or if you wanna leave it as is. Kasi there is a lot of space naman, there's a lot of storage. There is a lot of storage in this house, don't worry. Okay, so before we head up, and I'm sure hindi nyo nakita yung stairs, or maybe if you did, comment down below kung nakita nyo agad. Pero unahin na natin yung nasa likod. So we can't go through this door, but this is actually bedroom number 1, kasi ang daming personal items ng caretaker and whatnot. But I'll show you like the area. So out there you have the laundry area, and this is your dirty kitchen. And over here you have your separate maid's quarters with an ensuite toilet and bath. And then this door, may kuryente. You have your ground floor toilet and bath. So this is a common toilet and bath for anyone who might want to use it here on the ground floor. So it also functions as your guest powder room. Now this room is your storage. So it's actually a storage room with your utility. Medyo natatakpan lang kasi siya nito, naka-store pa yung mga screen. But yeah, it's where your breakers are. And now this door, which might surprise you, is actually your staircase. So let's head up. What I appreciate about these stairs though, ang kapal nung thread niya mismo. I mean the wood itself, but standard height naman yung thread, yung height. Okay, so upon reaching the second floor, you are then led to this hall with lots of doors. And you also have enough space here for a study or a family chill area. Syempre, di na entertainment, no space for a TV, I suppose, and also no provision. So it's more of a study area, or just somewhere you can put some chaise lounge or whatever. Okay, so here, first, we have bedroom number 2. Yeah, tama, bedroom number 2. So you've got this nice room with a good view of your neighborhood, and it also has an ensuite toilet and bath. And then back out into the common areas. You have here a nice space which you can also transform into a study or some kind of reading nook, especially because it has this gorgeous corner window that brings in so much light, and this door that leads out into a balcony. Now please excuse the, well actually di ko naman alam kung kita siya sa camera eh, pero kasi recently, you heard about the ashfall and everything, so medyo meron pa rin. But it's not a problem now. We just need to, every day just dusting. And I'm sure by the time that you see this video, wala na yan. Okay, and now behind this door, we have bedroom number 3. So this room, lots of space of course, does not have an ensuite toilet and bath, because there is a common toilet and bath right here. And before we go into the master bedroom right behind me, let's first go to bedroom number 4. So this is basically the same size as bedroom number 3. So again, does not have an ensuite toilet and bath because they share a common toilet and bath. Okay, master bedroom. So this master bedroom, I have to say, is quite unique. So you have lots of space here. You've got your provisions over there and over here. So it's up to you really where you want to put your actual bed. And I like that it's in this enclosed, almost enclosed space. But then over here, I love that it's just a doorway and not an actual door. You have your ensuite toilet and bath. So you have your tub, your sink, your enclosed shower, and your throne. And the best part is, ay akala ko sa kabila ka dadan. You are led here to your walk-in closet, which goes back out into the master bedroom. So para na siyang paikot. And I love that. It's sectioned, but it's not closed off. Okay. And now onto the 3rd floor. It actually looks really nice from here. Now the 3rd floor is actually a roof deck. Like the entire floor is a roof deck, and frankly, it's my favorite part of the house. So it's huge. You've got lots of space for entertaining. I like the fact that this is cemented, yan, and then over there, grass, as you can see. You've got lots of urban gardening all over. Para mas maganda. Actually, kulang pa nga. You can add so much more on this level. And also, you have this nice view of your vista. Okay. Actually, dito na tayo mag-recap. It's nice in here, right? Okay, so you've got, again, 391 square meters of floor area. As you can see, ang dami natin pinuntahan rooms, diba? Actually, di natin na-explore lahat because there were areas that were closed off. And then you've got 192 square meters of lot area. You've got a 2-car port, 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, this huge roof deck. What else? What's unique about this property is, yung nakita nyo kanina, diba, yung stairs niya, hindi siya easily accessible. There's actually a door. So for security's sake, for whatever reason, you can actually lock the door for safety. I mean, it's not common, but it's something that some people might want. And speaking of what people might want, please do share our videos on your social media or to friends or family who might want a home like this, especially since this is in BF Homes Paranaque. A lot of people are looking for homes here in BF Homes Paranaque. So make sure that you send us a message so that you can book an appointment with us, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.